there everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. My name's Hayley if you're new here. Today we're going to be taking a look at Lookfantastic, the box February edition. So here's what's inside. We've got all the usual leaflets and things. So what have we got in here this month? Looks like there's not a lot in here. They must be small things. Okay, so we got a Grow Gorgeous Intense Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask. I have never had any Grow Gorgeous, so we'll see if that was worth it. Doesn't look like there's much in here. Oh, we've got Molten Brown. I love Molten Brown. What's this? It is Molten Brown Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. I haven't had any Molten Brown for a long time. Let's see what it smells like, because I have never smelt rhubarb and rose. I like the Blissful Temple Tree. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I remember when I first discovered the Blissful Temple Tree. Oh, I would love it. Yeah, I'm not as keen on that smell. I prefer the Blissful Temple Tree. Depends what you like, doesn't it? You can smell the rhubarb in there. Definitely smell it. But I've had another, I think I had a rose and rhubarb hand wash a little while back, and I didn't like that either. I just used it for the hell of it, but I just didn't like it. So I'll use that up anyway. It's nice, like it's nice, but it's not my favourite. And then, what else have we got? SPF. Silly, isn't it? In February. I suppose I've got it ready. And it's Daily Moisturising Face SPF 50+, very high protection. And it's fragrance-free and water-resistant. With vitamin E, 72-hour hydration, suitable for sensitive skin. And it's made in Australia. Probably is very nice. It says summer is here. Can you believe that? It says summer is here. They've given us that in February. Not impressed. It says enjoy a sun-soaked day the Bondi Sands way with our daily moisturising face SPF 50 sunscreen lotion, providing UVA and UVB protection. Our water-resistant formula is gentle, fast-absorbing and dries to an invisible, non-greasy finish. Formulated to deliver up to 72 hours of hydration with added aloe vera and vitamin E to leave your skin feeling deeply moisturised. Can be worn alone or under makeup. Dermatologically tested, suitable for sensitive skin, non-comedogenic and won't clog pores. That's what it says. So shake well before use. Apply liberally and evenly to all unprotected areas, 15 to 20 minutes before exposure to the sun. Reapply every 2 hours or more, frequently when sweating and after swimming, exercise or towel drying. It says it's cruelty free. Let's have a look at it. Has it got a seal? Yes, it's got a seal, and I'm not going to open it because I already have other SPF that I need to use. So I'm not going to open that one. But oh, whatever. I'm not very impressed with that either. What else have we got? It looks like a load of little sample things. Dream Energy 4 sample patches. What's that? Doesn't even say what it is. It just says kind patches. Dream Energy kind patches. I have got no idea what that is. I'll have to look it up. Maybe I'll put a description there if I can find out what that is. hellokindpatches.com. Okay, this looks like under eye gels. Oh, it's by Avon. Okay, I'm a little bit more impressed now. I'm a little bit more impressed because it's by Avon. So this says collagen, aloe vera, hyaluronic lavender oil, glycerin, vitamin C, allantoin. It's Hydra Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Pads by Avon. So that's what they look like in there. So see how I get on with those. And then there's one more thing in the bottom here. I'm not impressed with this box, I don't think. Let's see what brand this is. Looks like a lip pencil. Oh, it's Revolution. Nah, not impressed. Not impressed with that. Right, I finally got it open. So it is Revolution Satin Kiss Lip Liner in the shade Icon. And I'll give you a little swatch. It's a nice shade, actually. It's a nice peachy shade. like a peachy pink. Oh, and it's very soft. It's breaking, but it looks nice. So that's it. I wasn't impressed with that. Maybe these will be really nice, and I'll have to find out what that is. And that, I don't feel excited when I get a bunch of sachets. So I'm not happy with all this sachet business. What is this? Cheap toots. I paid £13 I pay £13 a month. You'd probably pay nearly £13 for this molten brown thing. I wouldn't be surprised if that's getting on that way. I know I've got more than £13 worth, but I'm just bored by it. That is boring. Boring. Anyway, if you enjoyed watching the video, give me a like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.